Many people ask, how do I create great content for the internet? What should I say? There's really many layers to the correct answer. The first thing is to remember there's two purposes to your content. You're creating something that will help the search engines find you, and you're also creating something that makes a person want to do business with you. In all cases, you have to create content that is keyword rich. Now, what are keywords? Keywords are simply the natural words someone would type in the search engine to find you. For instance, if you're a painter, someone might type in painters, or they might type in house painters, or where do I find the best house painter? These are the natural phrases people use to find someone with your product and service. Those keywords need to be used in your content frequently, but not so much that it becomes obvious or stilted or unpleasant for someone to read. They say, they're just trying to sell me something. They don't really want to develop a relationship with me, and they turn away if you overdo the keywords. So you have to use the proper density of keywords. So now we've covered two things, having keywords and the proper density of keywords. But really, what should you be talking about in your content? You need to talk about things that your potential client needs to know in order to make a good decision. What are the dangerous trends? What are the pitfalls that if they don't know and they're not careful about, they could make a bad decision? They could spend too much money on something that doesn't work. All these fears that people have need to be addressed in your content. But that's not it. That's not the only thing. Fear gets in our way to make a decision, but we're really being pulled toward an ultimate desired outcome. There's something we really want. For instance, let's say I have my house on the market and I want to be able to sell it. When I look at my house and I realize it needed to be painted. So I need to know what's the best color to paint my house so that it will sell quickly like that. That could be a great topic for content. Now what have we covered? Keyword rich, proper density, need to know information, both addressing the fears and the dangers and the ultimate outcome. Those are some of the key pointers for having great content.